Like, a lot of people think I'm like so stuck up and like this. I don't want to say like, well, you know what, people think I'm a and I'm really not. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. So my birthday is in less than an hour. It's in like 40 minutes. So oh my god, my heart's racing. So if you guys watched my last two videos, I believe the first one was me doing my hair. Like, I straightened my hair first and then I added like these wand curls, which they still need to be fixed because they're looking a hot mess. But my second video was me doing this makeup look. I just took this off right now because if you watch those videos, I had this on. But my hair is looking a hot mess because I attempted to put this on. It's just getting caught in my hair, and every time I try to adjust it, it gets completely tangled. So this is a no for me. This is such a fail. It's not gonna work out for me. I wanted it because it's gold and my look is like pink and gold, but it's just a no for me. It's getting too tangled and it's actually hurting me. Let me get started by showing you. This is the dress. Should I get closer? Probably. This is what the dress looks like. It's so beautiful. I freaking love this dress. If you guys are wondering where I got it from, I got it from House of CB in a size small 2 years ago. And this is what it looks like. It's super long and see-through. But where are the pants to it? Where are the underwears? Hold on. Oh. Right here. So these are the bottoms. They're inside out. Tell me I still got the tag on them from 2 years ago. Oh no, I don't. So this is also a small, yeah. These are the underwears to it. Pretty. It's the same, kind of the same color, but it looks really good under. Should I put that on? Yeah. Before me putting that on, let me show you what else I purchased today. Besides the freaking stupid crown that I'm about to return. So I got this bracelet from Forever 21 with sort of a matching necklace right here. I love white and gold together, especially the pearl is so pretty. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear these, but I did buy this to match. Do I have earrings on now? No. Okay, so I might as well just try this on right now. Oops, I just lost the back piece. Love that. Like, I don't know why am I such a beast? I will never understand why. But oh my god, wait, these are so pretty. I'm glad I bought these. Okay, good purchase, Kiara. Let's see with this one. Come on, come on. What do you guys think? It also all depends like how everything is tied together. And these are the balloons that I got. Come on. Okay. So I bought baby pink and a pearl color. I bought I bought 6 each, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yes. You know what I forgot? The freaking string. So now I don't know if I'm gonna tie them or if I'm just gonna have them on my bed because I literally forgot about the string. Whoops. Anywho. Oh, and I bought this because ain't nobody about to sit here because I don't want to blow all these dang balloons. And then I got this one. This says Happy B-Day. Oh my god, with my nails. I'm not gonna be able to close it. I'm about to go ask for help. Hold on. Okay, so that's my mom's arm on the side. No, that's right. This is what it looks like so far. And let me show you what I got on. The last thing is my mom's putting on the braces for me. Thank you. Do I need all of them? Probably not. Yeah, but
they look nice.
So I'm gonna put 2 on this side and 1 on this side at least. 3 on this side and 1 on this side. I don't really like that hangy stuff. I wish I could chop them off. But you're not gonna see it anyways. Yeah, no one. I'm just chatting. Probably gonna have to move this like this. And of course I'm gonna crop everything out in the background. I wish the lighting was brighter, to be honest. But let's show you. So this is what it's looking like so far. I'm gonna like organize the balloons a little bit better, and I'm probably gonna be like sitting like this, or I'm not sure yet. I wish this was a little bit not as flat at the top. Shout out to my mother for helping me. You know what's so funny? I low-key feel like I hear them about to fall. So if they fall, that's gonna be a fail. But you know, I could just tape it back up. If you listen closely. Okay, it stopped. But it was like literally falling slowly. I don't know which part was falling. But yeah, it says happy B-Day. And then I have a total of 12 balloons. Should be 8 up here then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I counting wrong? Yeah, 8 plus 4 is 12. I don't know if I'm missing one is on the floor. There we go. Oh, and if you guys didn't see my Christmas vlog, I'm hella happy about my new freaking Crocs. Well, not new. They are my first pair, and they have like the gray fur inside. I'm obsessed. Let me show you the other one real quick. I gotta clean them because I wore them today. But this one has the K and the M for Kiara Monet. And then SpongeBob, well, for those of you who know, you know. Not only was SpongeBob my favorite, like ever, there's another reason why I was called SpongeBob at a point. Let's not focus too much on how crazy this room looks like. I'm covering this area because I feel like you see my underwears. But yeah, if you guys have me on Instagram or have been subscribed to me for at least 2 years on YouTube, you definitely have seen this dress. Anyways, oh my god, I don't know how I'm about to do this right now. I can't even like fix myself on the screen because you're gonna literally see my whole entire ass. To be honest, my stepfather already came in my room like 5 minutes early and he told me happy birthday. So he was the first one, but technically it's not my birthday. So let's see. My birthday's in 1 minute. Literally. I know birthdays are probably not a big deal to everybody, but to me it's such a big deal. And I don't know, I feel like I'm about to cry. I'm 26 years old as of right now. And that's just so crazy to me. My mother.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my beautiful, wonderful, intelligent, gorgeous thing that I made. I love you, Mommy. Happy birthday, and may God bless you with many, many more. I'm so proud of you, and you will do what you dream of doing with your life. I know you can do it. I love you.
Thank you. I love you very much.
I love you, Mommy.
Thank you.
You have no idea.
Thank you for helping me. So my mom and my stepfather are the only ones to tell me happy birthday. I remember when I was younger, like everybody at 12 o'clock used to tell me happy birthday. But I guess I'm not that popular anymore. Anyway, I'm going to go back to attempting to take some pictures. My camera's about to die, so I'm going to charge it. And then I guess I'll be back. Again, sorry for this video being like super choppy. But yeah, oh, real quickly, let me show you my TikTok that I just made. So like I always say, if you guys are not following me on TikTok, what are you doing? So I just finished straightening out my hair. I'm about to attempt to do my own little birthday photo shoot in my room. I'm about to be 26 in like 3 hours. Let's not talk about it. But yeah, I gotta do my makeup. I bought a print dress, you guys. So if you guys want to see what that looks like, then stay tuned. So my makeup is done. This is how it came out looking like. I think it's like so all my videos put in one. I have to fix a couple of the curls that I did, but I'm pretty much done with that. And then I gotta put on my dress and blow up the balloons. And yeah, wish me luck. So this is the dress that I'm wearing, and then I bought this today from Forever 21. I wanted one more excuse. I wanted one more excuse to wear it again. Cute. Now from Party City, I bought these baby pink balloons and these pearl colors. I definitely bought this because I'm not about to be blowing it. And then I bought this one. Shout out to my mother again. I'm so freaking obsessed with this setup. I'm about to take the pictures right now. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so I just finished straightening out my hair. I'm about to... Let me make sure I save that to the drafts. Okay, so it's now 1 in the morning. I literally took all these boomerangs and pictures. The thing that was getting me upset is that I wish I had somebody to take the pictures for me, because like I didn't have a stand, so I was running, I was clicking it for the 10 seconds, I would run back, and by the time I got back, like I feel like the 10 seconds was already up and the balloons kept falling off the bed. So it was a hot ass mess. It took me forever, but I do feel like I got a couple of good ones. Let me show you the ones that I do like. I just took this on Instagram with one of those cute little filters, but that's not the one, obviously. Let's see. So I want to show you one of the pictures that I like. I didn't edit it yet, but I would like to enhance the colors of the picture. But this is the one that I think I'm going to choose. I'm super happy the way that the pictures turned out. Like, I love this little setup. I think everything came out to be $20, especially like you didn't have to buy the pump that I use. But I mean, it was kind of worth it. Unless you want to blow and blow and blow and blow, pause all the balloons, then you don't have to buy the pump. But I definitely bought the pump. I took a couple of cute, like I like this boomerang that I did. I might post this, I'm not sure, like the little flip of the hair. Anyway, I'm like dying, like actually dying to take this makeup off. I hate the sticky feeling of makeup now. I never used to be like that. I used to love wearing makeup. Now it just feels sticky, and maybe because I'm just an oily ass girl. I'm oily as I'm gonna take my makeup off. I do have to figure out what the hell I'm gonna wear tomorrow. My friend GL, I mentioned this in a couple other videos, he's taking me to the spa. He's like the only person who asked me to do something for my birthday, because he knew I wasn't doing anything. So he's like, oh no, I can't have you do nothing, like we gotta do something. So that's really nice of him. I don't even think he watches my videos, who knows, but whatever. Shout out to my mother, my aunt Izzy, who just texted me. I have to text her back. My friend Kat, and my cousin Jen. Those are the 4 people who told me happy birthday. It's only been an hour, like it's only my birthday for an hour. Or if my mom was here, technically she would say I was born at 9:50 in the morning. So I wasn't born yet. I was getting ready, I guess, to come out, but I wasn't born yet. Yo, having a birthday on December 30th is tragic, because you're 5 days after Christmas, 1 day before New Year's Eve. Like, on top of the fact that we're in a pandemic right now, it's a hot ass mess. But I'm sad that I'm 26, but I mean, I'm thankful to see another year. I'm thankful for my mother. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for the roof over my head right now. I'm thankful to be alive. I'm thankful for my health. I'm thankful for having money, and even though I don't have the greatest job right now, I'm still trying. I'm still trying with my small business. If you guys are new to this channel, I sell purses. I have 7 different colors. Let me quickly show you. These are the bags. Like I said, 7 different colors. They say MBKM right here in a gold plaque, and that stands for Made by Kiara Monet. So I am trying, I am making moves. You know, everyone has their own time frame. I've always rushed things. I've always felt like I wasn't where I'm supposed to be. Like my friend says, let me not say I'm trying. I'm currently doing, taking all the steps necessary to get to where I want to be. So it's gonna be on my own time. I have to stop being on other people's time. A major problem that I do is I compare my life to other people's life. I feel like I'll look at them and be like, wow, like there's so much ahead of me. But I'm realizing that everything happens on the time that it's supposed to happen. I cannot rush it. If it's not meant to be right now, it's not going to be. So I can't get upset. I'm doing the things necessary. I'm taking all steps to become a better me. A lot of people on the outside, they look super happy, and they're probably not. Like, a lot of people think I'm like so stuck up and like this. I don't want to say like, well, you know what? People think I'm a bitch, and I'm really not. I guess that's what I look like to other people, but those are people who are just judging me without getting to know me. Because when people do get to know me, they realize that I'm not. When people do get to know me, they realize that I have a lot of insecurities, and I'm not the happiest girl. So just because I look happy on Instagram and stuff like that doesn't mean that I am. So just because people have all these, you know, nice things doesn't mean that they're happy. So that's one thing I'm going to definitely try for 2021, is to not compare myself to others. Anyway, I'm going to end the video off because I feel like the conversation was just headed to a whole nother topic. If you guys want to ask me questions, I will answer them in a separate video, but I'm just gonna end this video off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.